Welcome. In today's quick guide, I'll show you how to set your Telegram channel notifications to medium priority, so you stay informed without getting overwhelmed by constant alerts. If your phone is buzzing too often or important updates are getting lost, adjusting notification priority is a simple fix. Let's walk through it step by step. Start by opening the Telegram app on your device. Once you're in, tap on the menu icon. This is either the three horizontal lines in the top corner or your profile icon depending on your version of the app. Next, go to Settings. This is where you can customize everything from privacy to notifications. Inside Settings, tap on Notifications and Sounds. Here, Telegram gives you full control over how alerts behave for messages, groups, and channels. Now tap on Channel. This section is specifically for managing notifications from channels you follow. Scroll down a bit and tap on More Options. This will open additional notification settings that aren't visible at first glance. From here, tap on Priority. This setting determines how prominently Telegram notifications appear on your device. You'll see different options, but for a balanced experience, choose Medium. This ensures that channel notifications are noticeable but not too intrusive. Once selected, your changes are saved automatically. You can now go back and continue using Telegram with better controlled notifications. Setting your notification priority to medium is a smart way to stay updated without distractions, especially if you follow multiple channels. That's it for this guide. If you found this helpful, make sure to check out more Telegram tips to get the most out of the app.